Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you get 94 OVR left back, how to exchange rewards Alexandro in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game. Still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, how you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by tap on the exchange feature and then end of an era. This is a retired player or an old player that decide to leave his club. One of the player is the Alexandro, Brazilian left back, former player of Juventus. So you can tap again for the details. He got 94 OVR and the main attribute is dribbling and defending. Only 90 and 90 and he only got 2 traits. And stamina 4 stars, skill move 3 stars. Not bad for a free player. So if you need left back for your club, you can exchange with 92 plus OVR player 1 player, 91 plus OVR player 1 player, and also 1 player of 90 plus. So if you're done, this exchange button will turn on. You can tap it so you can claim Alexandro into your club. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe. Press the next button below. See you in the next video.